Have you ever seen professional photos, fantasy characters, or amazing designs and wondered how they were made? Today, I will show you how to create images with artificial intelligence for free and in just seconds. Simply, artificial intelligence can turn any description you write into a real or artistic image. For example, di padilla the anteo, if we tell it to draw a white cat wearing sunglasses on the beach at sunset. Let's see now what ChatGPT will come up with for us. As you can see, it drew exactly what we wanted. We can also tell it to draw a lion standing on a mountain at sunset in a cinematic style with very amazing colors. Let's see what ChatGPT will come up with now. Wow, really, really amazing. You can even say the quality of the color is incredible. Of course, the more detailed and precise you are in the description, the more professional and impressive the result will be. Always try to specify what you want in the image, where the image is located, the type of lighting, and the style of the image. I'll give you another example. We tell it, I want you to draw a warrior standing in the desert at sunset, cinematic lighting, high details, very realistic. The Arab warrior is wearing iron armor, has long hair, a beard, and a mustache, and has very strong Arab features.
Now we will see the result together.
By the way, all these images that I am showing you, you can use them and you can also start your project with them. You can publish your work on social media, on YouTube, as designs, as study projects, as presentations. It will be very beneficial for you. Now we will see this very, very, very fantastic result, a very beautiful view. Now we will see if any adjustments are needed. Will we have to start from the beginning? Of course not. All you have to do is click on edit and write here what you want to modify. For example, I will tell it to make the background night, add a rain, make the image more realistic. The same image will be edited because it is honestly very impressive. I just want it adjusted according to what I instructed. Therefore, we must be very careful and precise in describing the writing or modifications or commands, which are called prompts. We must be very precise in writing and giving the prompt to any AI, not just ChatGPT, any AI that relies on this technology. The clearer your details and the details of the details, the more you will get an amazing result. As you can see, by God, it's really amazing, truly like a scene from a cinematic film. Now anyone can create a professional image with AI in minutes and without any design experience. Try it yourself, write in the comments what the first image you will create is.